Hello from the team of single-person houses. Today we are going to make something new and we will show and analyze the project called Mr. Plocq's Caballon. Architects of this project are Aurélie Poirrier, Igor-Vassili Pouchkarevtch, and Vincent O'Connor. Looking from the outside, the object looks like an egg. The lower half of this egg-shaped shelter is wooden and the upper part is white combined with glass. Entrance door design is similar to an aircraft door, which helps for better eco-efficiency. Looking at the floor plan, it is easy to see the minimalistic approach to the design. The project is composed only from sleeping area, entrance deck, and a bathroom. The construction is made from primary circles. Then these circles are connected by secondary beams. After the construction is finished, it is time for assembling the floor, the bathroom, and lastly the outside surfaces. This housing project is not an ordinary structure, and the amazing about this structure is that it allows to look at the stars all night long. Thank you for your attention. Comment if you would like more similar videos.